Hey guys and girls, in this video we're gonna take a look at the best PC gamers gifts. I have made my research and this list reflects my personal opinion, and I have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we may have the product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The products mentioned are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the gifts for PC gamers in the video, just subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and leave a comment with the hidden word in the video. We will pick a winner and notify him when we reach 5,000 likes. And don't forget to join our community Telegram channel linked in the description so we can contact you if you win. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best PC gamers gifts on the market right now. Coming at number 16, Logitech Brio 501 Full HD Webcam. An external webcam like this one will make gamers look better thanks to its higher resolution, large image sensor, and ability to adapt to various lighting. The webcam features a full HD resolution and even built-in dual microphones that offer noise reduction to ensure they sound crystal clear and natural while streaming. Number 15, Razer Goliathus Extended Chroma Gaming Mousepad. Although it may not seem like much, an oversized gaming mouse mat will make a huge difference in a PC gaming setup. It features a non-slip rubber base, a soft-to-the-touch textured cloth surface, and impressive but customizable border lighting that can sync with the in-game audio. At 10 inches long, it leaves plenty of room for their gaming mouse to travel. Number 14, Logitech G305 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. Logitech designed this mouse with competitive play in mind. Underneath its body lays the brand's advanced Hero 12 Kelvin optical gaming sensor with a maximum sensitivity of 12,000 dpi. It's also ambidextrous, the side buttons are customizable, and the battery packs 200 hours of playtime. Number 13, Comgrow Ender 3 3D Printer. This 3D printer is an excellent option for budget-mindful gifters. It can print layers as thin as 100 microns and works with both ABS and PLA filaments. Tech editor Stefan Vazharov likes that the printer features a heated print bed, Wi-Fi connectivity, an SD card slot, and a convenient LCD display. Unlike some of its similarly priced rivals, the product ships fully assembled and calibrated, allowing buyers to get started immediately, he says. Coming at number 12, HyperX Alloy Origins Core Tenkeyless Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This gaming keyboard manages to strike a strong balance between price, performance, and features. HyperX gives buyers the option to pick from multiple switch types and keyboard layouts, so you can easily shop for whatever type suits your recipient's preferences. The Alloy Origins Core keyboard sports a full aircraft-grade aluminum body, so it feels solid and more expensive than it actually is. It has customizable light modes and macros to speed up in-game actions. Plus, its keys aren't too noisy, which you'll probably appreciate if you're giving it to someone who lives under the same roof as you. Number 11, Midea Compact Refrigerator. This plain Jane mini fridge may not have a flashy exterior, but it fits nicely under a desk and packs plenty of room for all the sodas, energy drinks, bottled water, and snacks gamers need for long sessions. Bonus, the door is reversible if your giftee needs to switch sides, and the fridge is backed by a 1-year warranty. Coming at number 10, we've got the Eufy HomeVac H11 Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This tiny handheld vacuum cleaner will help keep their desk clean and crumb-free. Its slim profile can fit into tight spaces, like behind a monitor, and the attachment lets the H11 reach between mechanical keyboard keys. A whopping 5,500 pascals of suction power will extricate any small bits. What's more, the H11 charges with an included USB cable, and, let's be real, any PC gamer would probably be happy to have another USB cable. Number 9, Nanoleaf Shapes Triangle Smart Modular Light Panels. The Nanoleaf Triangle Smart Panels are incredibly easy to install, and we dig their futuristic look. This kit comes with 9 modular panels that your giftee can arrange in any linear or geometric pattern. The panels can even sync up to music and flash and dance along to the beat. Coming at number 8, Serenilite Hand Therapy Exercise Stress Ball Bundle. Often, the best gift is something that someone would never buy for themselves. Serenilite makes the best stress relief products, which have been vetted by leading physical therapists. This kit comes with 3 stress balls that vary in levels of firmness. If the gamer on your list suffers from carpal tunnel, arthritis, or they just get angry and need something to throw every now and then, they'll appreciate these. Coming at number 7, SZGHHW Coffee Mug Warmer with Wireless Charger. Not only does this versatile device keep whatever liquid is in the mug at the perfect temperature, the base doubles as a wireless charger to keep their phone and earbuds juiced. The mug comes in black, blue, green, red, and white colors to match their setup. Number 6. Microsoft Xbox Game Pass Ultimate 3-month membership. Game Pass affords gamers unlimited access to more than 100 Xbox and PC games. They also get to play and Riot Games titles at no extra cost. If your recipient decides they want to keep Game Pass after the 3 months they get with this card, the service costs $10 a month. New games are added monthly, too. Coming in at number 5, Gxegauy Protective Case for Steam Deck. Since the Steam Deck is battery-powered, gamers can play all the best PC games anytime and anywhere. Because the deck's portability is one of its best features, gamers will definitely want to protect their console. The grippy silicone on this case cuts down on the chances of them dropping it and absorbs impacts from short falls. Coming at number 4, Valve Steam Deck. The Steam Deck is a handheld console from Valve, which operates the Steam PC platform through which gamers can purchase and download games. The console makes it easy to play PC games away from the desktop. Plus, it can run emulators, software that lets one device behave like another, meaning your giftie can play NES, SNES, PlayStation, GameCube, and Game Boy games from it as well. Hunter Fenelol, consumer tech editor at our sister publication Popular Mechanics, has been playing on the Steam Deck for the past year. Just don't mistake the Steam Deck for a game console, he advises. This system places all the benefits of a computer, such as a desktop operating system, mod support, and highly adjustable graphics settings in your pocket. Plus, it has enough power to run the latest AAA titles smoothly at up to 60 frames per second. Number 3, Klipsch ProMedia 2.1 Computer Speaker System. This sub-$200 speaker set is easily one of the best you can buy at any price. The Klipsch ProMedia system delivers a big and bold sound that'll make gaming a much more immersive and exciting experience. The set comes with a subwoofer and dual satellites that work together to produce a wide soundscape. Don't let the speaker's small size fool you either. They pack a punch. Coming at number 2, WD Black 1TB SN770 NVMe Internal Gaming SSD. The SN770 gives PC gamers much more memory, so they don't have to uninstall their favorite games if they want to try a new title but have hit their space limit. It's available in 250GB, 500GB, 1TB, and 2TB configurations to cater to your budget constraints. We recommend opting for at least the 1TB version. That way your giftie can download several games for years to come. Number 1. Lamicall H1 Headphone Stand. The H1 headphone stand from Lamicall looks more like a piece of modern art than it does a headphone stand. The stand, which is made from aluminum and ABS plastic, has a simple design that will blend in with most setups. It comes in white or black and is affordable, sturdy, and strong enough to accommodate practically any gaming headset. It won't take up too much room on your gamer's cluttered desk either. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best PC gamers gifts. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.